So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a payment method here on Fiverr.com. So once Fiverr's opened up, go to the top right, press on your profile picture, and then go down to where it says billing and payments and select that. Once you're on this screen, go ahead and select payment methods right here, and then go ahead and select add payment methods. Now when you press this button right here, you can then add a debit card or a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. So if you wanted to add a credit or debit card, for example, I would go ahead and do that. It's going to verify that I'm a human, obviously, real quick. Now, once that is done, you can type in the card number, the expiration date, the security code, name, etc. If you want to go the PayPal route, I can show you that as well. In order to complete your PayPal registration, we will transfer you over to PayPal secure servers. Go ahead and press this, and you can do it that way. But a couple different options here to how, and then once it's here, it'll obviously show you the payment methods, and you can alternate between the two, whatever you want to do. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a payment method on Fiverr. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.